If you want to design graphics and schedule posts all from one place, you're in the right spot. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you exactly how to streamline your workflow so you can save time and stay organized. First off, let's talk about the software we'll be using today. It's an all-in-one platform that allows you to design graphics and schedule your posts in one place. No switching between multiple tools. Now, you might be wondering, can this really do both? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see how easy it can be to manage both tasks seamlessly. So, here's how it works. The software we'll be using is packed with a simple-to-use design editor. You can create high-quality graphics in minutes, no design experience needed. Whether you're making social media posts, blog headers, or anything in between, this software lets you customize templates, add text, images, and brand colors. You can even resize the graphics for different platforms, which is a huge time saver. Once your graphics are ready, the fun doesn't stop. You can schedule them directly through the same platform. Forget about logging into Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter separately. This software lets you plan and schedule all your posts from one centralized dashboard. You can even set the exact time and date so your content goes out while you're busy doing something else. But what's really cool is that you can also manage multiple accounts, whether it's for your business, personal brand, or clients. No more jumping around between different logins. You can even track how your posts perform, which is great for adjusting future content. Now, I know there are tons of tools out there for graphic design and scheduling, but I've tried all the most popular ones, and I can confidently say this one really combines the best of both worlds. It saves you time, cuts down on errors, and helps you stay organized. Plus, I've got something special for you, a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel. If you want to follow along with this tutorial and experience all the features, you can grab that link in the description below. Before we wrap up, here's your key takeaway. The power of creating graphics and scheduling posts all from one platform is that it simplifies your workflow and saves you a ton of time. With everything in one place, you can focus more on content strategy rather than juggling between apps. To quickly recap, design your graphics with templates, customize them to fit your brand, and then schedule those posts directly through the software. All the while, you can manage multiple accounts and track your performance, all from one dashboard. Don't forget, the exclusive free trial is in the description if you want to try this for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.